Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. It is Tuesday. It is time now for a quick tip from Rick. We're going to talk about the C7 Corvette today and its valet mode. Now, you may have seen that in the infotainment system in the settings. You're like, valet mode? Hey man, I'm not letting anybody valet my Corvette. I'm with you on that, but let's face it, there's some situations in which you actually have to valet your car. So when it's being valeted and you're in the restaurant eating, don't you want to know what's going on when they're driving? I mean parking your Corvette? All right, check this out. So to access valet mode, go to your home button here and jump into your settings button on your infotainment screen. There is a valet mode tab. You'll have to put in a 4-digit code to enable valet mode. And what that's going to do is lock your screen, it'll lock the glove box, and it locks the ability to use the steering wheel control so they can't check out all the cool different screens right here on your C7 Corvette. But keep in mind, if you have a 2015 or newer Corvette that has navigation, you automatically have the PDR camera. So check this out. Get one of these little deals. Nothing bigger than 32 gigs. Let's put that in the slot inside the glove box. Because with a card in there, you have the ability to record and hear and see what they're doing in your car when you lock in the valet mode when you're in the restaurant. So go into PDR and set this thing up first. I've already went into where you choose overlays, and I chose the track mode so I can see a number of things that they may be doing in the car. Then hit start recording. So let's go back to the home screen. Let's go into settings. Let's go into valet mode here. Got to put in a 4-digit code. Trust me, don't forget it. All right, so let's do 1616. Got to enter the code. It wants you to enter it again and then press lock. Now it's locked in. It's flashing right there. Okay, so if I hit the screen, nothing's working. Glove box not working. I want to change my screens. Nothing's working. All right, let's give our keys to little Ricky and go get something to eat. Okay, Mr. Rick, yes, I'll take good care of it. You got it. All right, enjoy dinner. Yeah, I'll take good care of it, all right. You enjoy that dinner. I'm gonna enjoy this Corvette. What is this thing I'm in? Z06. Wow. Look at this thing, it's cranky. Oh, wait a minute. No radio? Radio doesn't even work. This thing sucks. All right, well, while he's eating, maybe I'll go pick up my girlfriend on break and we'll go for a little cruising. Yeah, let's check this thing out. Yeah, let's check this thing out. First, I better park it, give her a call. And I got the keys. I can go wherever I want. Just wish I had some tunes to really enjoy this. Wish it wasn't raining. I'd like to. I could really check this thing out. It goes like this. Whoa, whoa, oh my goodness. Oh, wow, wow. Whoa. All right, I better park this thing. Yeah. Now, before you tip little Ricky, you might want to look at the PDR footage. You go back into here. Let's put in your code. Unlock. Let's hop over to the PDR. Now you can stop the recording and look at what had happened. Yeah, that could generate some interesting conversations. Remember, when you go to the PDR camera, hit start recording before you go to valet mode and put in your code. So that way when the car's turned on and it goes into gear, it'll record what you just saw or what you didn't want to see. Now that was fun. It really would have been fun. It wouldn't have been raining. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip from Rick. It is Tuesday and it is time now for your beautiful rides. And we're going to start with a very special ride to lead us off today. Don't forget, you can send in your ride. No matter what it is, send me a picture via email or text, but preferred by email. Give me your first name and what state you're from of your beautiful ride. But today, being that we're past the capture test fleet, we're past the EX experimental cars for the 2020 C8 Corvette, retail, real production cars are rolling off the line. VIN 0001 exists. This car is real. Thank you, Team Corvette. Thank you, Zora. A dream is now reality.
Just as you start to understand design, there are certain things in your life that strike you as, yes, this is correct. And somehow you have an innate relationship to it. You may not be able to describe it or understand it, but you just feel comfortable. It feels right. and it feels natural.
It's this awe-inspiring vehicle, but it's also something that is born out of pure function. And quite frankly, by the time you get to 8, it's the full embodiment of what that is.
We dreamed about it for years, but I would say 30 years ago, no one in a million years would have dreamed about us developing this at the Nürburgring.
This car is not evolutionary, it's revolutionary. And you only get one chance to do it right.
I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting, oh, and your heart's bleeding, and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, or what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you